Good morning.
Good morning. Merry Christmas.
I think Santa was here.
Let's go see the presents. Ari, come on. Santa was here. Yay! Come on, let's see the presents. Let's see what he brought.
Come on, Ari.
Come with us, Mama. Megan.
Ari.
Here.
I'm pretty sure you want to be in here because it looks like Santa left you a note. It says, "Thanks for the cookies and milk. I left a couple for you to eat. You're such a good boy this year. Keep up the good work." Oh, Ari, you filled your stocking. Come here. And he left you presents. Oh, your stocking didn't make it. It waited for you, but it fell, Ari. It took too long.
Look at that, Ari.
You know?
Look at your stocking.
Pour it out, Dad.
Oh, look at that. It's Rachel. Signing time. Who's that? Is that Harold? It's your second Thomas the Train boy. Here's your third. It's Percy. And another one. It's Rosie. And there's a line just like you, because you're a little line boy.
Something else fell back.
Oh, yeah. Thomas the Train sippy cup. Very cool.